Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka India Post kla Pynsahnam jingkan mau. Yu klawat kirilum jaintia. Dag bepelat ba ya ka permanent pictorial cancellation but ya ka special cover. Haga jingalang ka balong haka laitrip ujemang arajar pausan Kiang Nangbah Government College Jowai. Haga bau MLA jongga Jowai ba wailat miki shilla lolong kumukong san. Ringkat kejinan lang jung Chief Executive Member jongga Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ba Thombo Shiwan. U Director jongga Postal Services Headquarter North East Circle UKV LN Murti. U President Kasenra Jowai ba Principal ka Kiang Nangbah Government College ba H Toy. U Doroy jongga elaka Jowai ba Puramon Kinjing ba Kiwe.
Program, it looked kind of a very small program. But I will tell you, this is a very important and meaningful program. In this past few weeks, the staff from the Indian Post came to meet me in my office, telling me that they are having a plan of releasing the permanent pictorial cancellation of Kiang Nangbah. So at that moment, like all of you today, I also was amazed because I don't know what is pictorial cancellation. And I hope till now the same goes with you all. So I told you, what is important of this? Why should we do it? Then they said that, sir, this permanent pictorial cancellation, it's done only once. After today, if I request them to do also, they won't be doing it. And at the same time, we have to release a special cover also. Special cover means the envelope, where the photo of Kiang Nangbah and a small write-up about him and what he has done will be there in the envelope. And what is more important is this envelope will go all over the world. Not only in India, but all over the world. So it's kind of a very important, because like us, we want, I hope all of us here today, the people of Jowai, the people of Jaintia Hills, and the people of Meghalaya, want everybody, all the people in other part of the country, in the other part of the state, we would like them to know about Kiang Nangbah, what he has done. Then at that moment I told them that really it is an opportunity. It is an honor for me to do something, because they told me that we have to release this picture cancellation along with the special cover at the same time. And for the special cover we have to pay. Then at that moment I said, no, I don't mind paying. It's an honor. It's an honor to do something for these great freedom fighters of our region. But I'll tell you, in the past, and especially these freedom fighters of ours, he's not only champion regarding the freedom. Many of us will say that freedom means that it is only about the movement. Our movement, the curtail of our movement. No. He fought for the freedom of religion, freedom of our culture, freedom of our land, about everything. So that's why it is very important for us to carry forward his legacy. And for this I would like to thank the Senrai Jowai, the Kiang Nangbah Association, for keeping his legacy and to honor him every year, which is very important. So that's why I would like to urge to each and every one of you to join hand in carry forward the legacy of this great leader. And like I told you, why this program is important. For us today, if we get this envelope, with a pictorial cancellation of Kiang Nangbah, we won't feel that much important. But just think, a person from Giant Hills living in London received an envelope with Kiang Nangbah. What is the value of it? It will be very valuable for them. They will feel very proud. Our freedom fighter, all the way to other part of the country. But it should start from here. It should start from here. So that's why I hope we have print. No doubt I have contributed some amount to print few envelopes. And this envelope, I'll tell you, like I told you, in the future, if I request them to print also, they won't be printing it again. So it's a kind of a very valuable. And for those people who have interest in collecting stamp and envelope, in next 15-20 years, the value of this very same envelope will be very high. So I'll request you today also. I think they will be selling. We will be selling this envelope. So it is kind of things to keep. So that's why I'll urge each and everyone to please to have it. To have it. So at the same time, and it is very important, like the president or the principal of the Kiang Nangbah Government College have said, because in the past we have seen so many versions of Kiang Nangbah. Sometimes he's very big, sometimes he's a bit thin, sometimes with mustache, sometimes without mustache. So it's a kind of confusing. So that's why this is a very right platform, and from now on I think we have to meet the Art and Culture Department to give them the correct picture. So from now on, in the near future, wherever they will use, whether in the paper or whether in the statue or anything, so they will use the same photo in order not to create confusion. It is very rightly pointed out, and this issue we have been discussing it from time to time, especially with the Kiang Nangbah Student Union, that Kiang Nangbah Government College being named on this freedom fighter, but there is not a single photo of him. Not even a statue or a bus to commemorate him during his death anniversary. So that's why I already give my words, and once again, and I will like to tell all of you present here today that I'll take up this issue, and if not from the department, if I have to pay from my pocket also, I will install a statue of Kiang Nangbah here in this country. Because it is very important, like I told you, to carry forward the legacy of this great freedom fighter who has given his life for all of us. And today, I think we'll realize the importance of this freedom fighter, especially our country is in huge tension. As you know that there is a very high tension, whether it is with Pakistan or whether with Bangladesh, where just few days back you have heard the statement of one of the official of the government, Bangladesh government, where he has said that if India attack Pakistan, then Bangladesh should attack Northeast, the 7th state of Northeast. So that's why it's very important that we should stay united. We should stay united. And also we should know to respect our soldiers. It's very sad to see nowadays our special forces, the army people, are being face many problems, many issues. So I'll urge we should not forget that these people have taken a decision to give their life for their freedom, for our safety. Before I'll take my seat, I'd like to urge, since we have our Director of Postal Service, I'd like to urge you. We know that this Indian Post, also it's a very big family, and even in our state. And as you know that we have very many educated youth who are unemployed. So I'd like to urge you to please, I have seen many of your advertisement. So I'd like to request you that you please make sure that our youth from our state will be accommodated in your department. No doubt there will be issue with communication and all, but I'll tell you our people are very fast learning. They will do what task you give them. And like I have heard from many departments from many companies from other part of the states or the country, our youth are very good in service. If you go in Assam or other major hospital in the country, maximum of the nurses you will find are from Meghalaya. And even they are going to Singapore and Japan. So you don't have to worry, but I would like to once again urge you to please to look into the matter, because as we are facing the problem of unemployment.
Very fortunate to release the cover here, and also that freedom fighter. We have to remember, and we are enjoying the freedom now. We are enjoying the freedom now. Whatever which place we want to go to, we'll go without any restriction. Whatever we want, we'll take. Whatever children want, they will study.
Whatever Swallow